In search of healthy keto, today we're making Salad Olivier. Surprisingly, this quintessential Russian salad was actually invented by a French chef working in Moscow somewhere around 1860 at the Hermitage restaurant. But his version, which was a long-held secret, and only came to light after his death, was crawfish, steamed, black caviar, and he was using jello instead of green peas that's in the traditional Olivier these days. It was always capers, and the salad was served with roasted quail just to make it a full course dinner. Long after his death, finally it was revealed. But those ingredients, especially the black caviar, was extremely rare, so the salad became very popular with these ingredients, which is green peas, mayonnaise, carrot, potato, pickled cucumber, and egg. There are various other versions. Ukraine, they use kalbasa, some other places use smoked sausages just to spice it up, but traditional version is this. So it's very simple. You just dice them up, chop them up, mix it in a bowl and serve. That is it. You can chill it before serving it, but it's an optional thing. So let's go. Okay, it's ready. Normally it's chilled for maybe 30 minutes, but you can serve it if you like this way. Notice for the keto version, the major replacement I made is the potato. I'm using yam, which has the lowest carb among any other kind of potatoes. You could use sweet potatoes, but it's slightly sweeter, but it's still fine. The taste is not very much. And let's just chill it and maybe 30 minutes, then I can serve it. There you have it, Salad Olivier. I couldn't wait another 30 minutes to get it chilled, so I just served it, and it tastes as good as it should. Bon appetit!